Welcome loves to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video we're going to talk about another hack, another makeup hack, and I wanted to see on camera if it's going to work for you, for me, and if it's possible. Okay, as Huda Beauty published on her page, we're going to try to use cotton wands to create a makeup look, and theoretically it's going to be super easy to recreate. I need to give it a try. I'm going to use a little bit different colors, but you know what? It's up to you guys. This, and then orange. I need cotton wands, and I remember not being able to buy brushes when I was a teenager, and I actually was forced to use some cotton wands. That is the main reason why I'm not a stranger to this technique, but I haven't done this in a while. At first, always, I use NYX primer, or maybe Wet n Wild primer is not really bad, but I'm trying to get rid of this product first. And without a primer, the Morphe eyeshadows or eyeshadow palettes, they're not going to stick to your eye. They're going to stick, but they're going to crease badly. Let's get started with the first color. I'm going to place from the outer corner right here a dot. We're going to do 3 dots of each color. Okay, I probably went too far. Let's go with this color. Tap it off. Go in really close to the previous shade. This red. Guys, if it's gonna work, I love this method for the simplicity. Finally, I need glitter. Flipping the wand and then connecting the colors. Blending them. I will use probably the same wand that I applied my color with and use any leftovers from this cotton wand. We need to blend out the line first and then mix these colors together, kind of marry them. And this is going to be the final shade. So when you go with a blending technique, use the same leftovers from the same cotton wand. It's going to be so much easier to blend out the color. That's why I'm going with any leftovers from the first shade. I don't really know what to do with this harsh line. Let's use some clean brush and try to clean any leftovers. Go back and forth between the shades to get them in my previous color. I mean, it's working. Maybe not as beautifully and easily as it was shown, but the technique is there, and I can see myself probably just getting a really nice result. Just go back with the same color and get this in the previous one. This way you're gonna get natural transition from the previous shade. So you can see that when I was done with a little bit of orange, I went back with the same red. When I'm done with my red, I'm going with any leftovers from the purple. And then when I'm done with any purple, I'm going back to this really dark purple shade. What I'm gonna do is use my finger and probably clean this area with a finger. I think it's probably too much, but I would say from the video, she was really precise and try to stop below the crease. I went all the way up to my brow bone. That's why it's probably just my bad. I'm not complaining. I'm not saying that someone is wrong. It's just the first way you need to adjust the technique before you can fully use it. I can't say I love the outer corner moment. I think it's a little bit harsh, but it's not really bad. You can pat with your finger and it's gonna look really pretty. And for my lower lid, I'm gonna use the same color, just some leftovers. Honestly, I love this technique for the lower lid. It's really good. So easy, and the pigment is still there. I haven't dipped in my color anymore. It's just like the first dip and that's it. So it's gonna last you for a little bit longer time than your brushes. I love it. It's really good. And I'm going to add any leftovers from my red in between. Orange in the inner corner. Guys, it's so pigmented. I guess I'm going to add a little bit of the shimmery color with a clean side on top of my brow bone. It's going to help to get this line a little bit softer. The transition is going to be easier. Okay, I really love it. Let me do my black eyeliner on top of the lash line, co-lashes, and I'll be back with both of my eyes. Okay guys, I'm finally ready to present you this makeup look, and it's good. It's really good. My right side, my right eye, I would say, is a little bit messy because I didn't crack the technique before using this makeup tip. But for left side, it's so much better. What you should remember whenever you use this routine, you need to go back with the same color or any leftovers that you used to apply the dots. I have nothing bad to say about this routine. Love, 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 and this is a great trick and this is a great makeup tip. In case you enjoyed today's tutorial, and I would say trial, let me know in the comments, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, and I'm gonna see you in my next tutorial. Love you all guys so much. Bye bye.